Alright, do a burnout right now.
Filming NSO now?
This is NSO vlog episode 1.
Alright. Alright.
Ready?
Let's go pick it up. Oh, I need to get the keys.
Alright guys, so we got the NSO crew here. Just Brian and I, because everyone else is back in school. I'm in school, but I came back.
I'm not in school yet. Got a few days.
Day 35. Stuck in the University of Cincinnati library. Back at college, away from the North Shore, you know, just doing some schoolwork. A little bit of Chinese, a little bit of multivariable calculus. Thanks. It's day 35. I'm stuck here at Penn State watching the Bachelor.
But anyways, I haven't seen Brian in a long time because he was in California, Colorado.
California.
Alright, yeah, he was like snowboarding. How much snow did they get?
They got 9 feet at the top of the mountain in 2 days.
So if he films something, you're about to see it.
I wanna be with you right now.
Ready?
Baby, I'm failing,
Go.
but I wanna be all you need all of the time. Baby, you make me high.
What's our mission today?
Our mission is to pick up a beautiful red moped that's been sitting in my grandpa's garage for years, like 20 or so. So we'll see if it still works.
Hi Brian, where we at?
Grandfather's house. See how this goes.
Got some money hanging out here. Yeah, she got there. Ooh.
Sorry.
Is there a dog?
Nope, you ready?
Got the code handy.
Yeah, I got the code.
The security system is present. It's childproof.
Let me disarm you.
Disarmed?
We're good.
Oh, that's so beautiful. Yeah, it's a motorized bicycle.
Wait, really?
Bicycle license right there. California.
Oh!
Wow. Dude, throwback. This guy's been some places. How many miles? 1,088. Wow, she's fresh. Let's get the kickstand.
That's a flat tire.
It'll buff out.
Keep going. You're good. You're good. You're good. And stop. Don't worry, Captain. We'll buff out those scratches.
Like some race car symbol with a cat?
It's a
Ferrari?
Yeah, Ferrari. Yeah.
Return. Check out this return, guys. Yeah, she's returning. It'll buff. Twin cycle. Someone that's watching this video right now is probably like, I know what this is.
I want this.
Yeah, Brian's got it. That says 50 miles an hour top speed. I'm just pointing that out right now. If this guy goes 50, you're styling.
Alright. It's alright, it's good for the rim. Dude, I can't wait to ride this thing. It's gonna be so fun.
Today, she's riding. Resurrection. Alright guys. So a lot of time has passed and haven't got this to run, haven't got that to run, even though that ran yesterday. Covers off, gasoline flowing, starter fluid in full effect. We're striking out. We got a spark on this guy, no spark on that. This, different story, different video.
So,
Come on Ryan, start her up.
yeah, we'll see.
That was the best one for sure. It's on, right? Alright. That sounded good. Everything's important.
The light turned on.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
But then, why is this?
Oh.
What is that? Alright, off to the parts store. Oh, what is this lineup out here? Oh my god.
It took me so long.
This is Brian's brand new 2017 WRX. Hey, is this thing, does it burn brown rice or white rice?
It likes white. I got for Christmas. Driving gloves.
Ooh. Hey, if you guys like don't follow me on Instagram, you know.
You shouldn't.
Tell the viewers what's going on, what happened.
Brand new spark plug. See if this works.
I got one too. So.
Little tiny squatty one.
Yeah.
For the squatter.
3:28 a.m.
Alright.
Failure of the day.
Yeah, we got nothing running. Nothing.
We should probably disconnect the gas. So you see what's gonna happen here is I'm gonna be up here and then Bill's gonna be back here. Just like give me a
Oh, we're gonna double it.
We're gonna tandem this.
Tandem, yes.
Oh yes.
I'd love to see that.
Do you want to? We just need vinegar, right?
Yeah, do you want to?
Let's just clean it out now.
Do you have vinegar?
I think so.
Let's go get it.
Yeah.
Alright, never mind, we're not calling it a day just yet.
Not yet.
Oh wait, let's see if they can see it. Oh, they can see it.
Foggy it is.
This is fog coming off the lake, and I can barely see down the street.
Eventually.
Alright, so the internet told us to clean out this gas tank because it's kind of rusty inside. We need to put water in it first, and then we take vinegar, which we just bought a bunch of, and we leave this in there overnight.
The next day.
The heck is this?
Siphon her out.
So it's the next day.
Yeah.
Ah, wow.
Time flies fast, huh?
It's like next day, night. It's like a lot's happened since yesterday. All right, so while you were away, Brian was away too. I spent the day with Bay, and guess what I got to work? Give it a nice one. First pull. Everything. 60 bucks. Still working it out.
Sounds like a beautiful weed rack. It looks pretty feminine on that, really. Oh, something wrong with it? What happened?
My throttle came off.
Oh.
You're just giving me like hours of footage. Look at this glue stick.
Oh my gosh.
I got this for $20. It looked like this when I got it.
It's basically brand new.
Basically, to me. Alright, so we just got a spark. By spark, I mean Bill just got electrocuted again. Just give her a rip. Start that up. Yeah. Alright. Go get it, Brian. It's much louder from the back. grass. I swear he's trying to ramp it. Sunset though. Yeah. Ryan the Ripper. Oh, he broke the throttle. Did you break the throttle?
I don't think so.
Oh, I thought I saw you.
Oh, yeah, it's gone.
Yeah, that's what I thought. No big deal. We can fix that. It'll buff. It'll buff. What'd you think on your first time on the DBX 43cc?
Kind of felt like I was gonna die.
Oh!
I was thinking about pulling that trick, but then I was like, I like life too much, so I don't know.
12 o'clock midnight.
Yep.
Horn's louder though.
So this is the end of our North Shore, Ohio vlog 1. I don't know how much of a success it was.
Yeah. We got a new bike.
Yeah, we got 2 new things.
Wow,
Actually
that's
3. We got rid of the drift trike though. That kind of.
It was kind of sad.
Yeah. Peace out.
See ya.
North the Shoreliners.
North Shoreline.
Oh, and if you're wondering what happened to my my face right here, I was pushed and didn't catch myself, and I fell and landed on my face. Wish it happened doing something cool, but no. You can edit that out, Bill.